In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your Google AI Studio app and share it. We'll walk through the process from opening Google AI Studio all the way to getting a shareable link for your app. This is a simple workflow, but it helps to move carefully so you know you're publishing the correct project. Start by going to Google AI Studio. If you're beginning from a search page, click on Google AI Studio to open the platform. Once you're inside, look for the My Apps section and click it. This is where your existing app projects are stored, so it's the right place to manage something you've already created. Next, select your app from the list. After clicking it, give it a moment to load completely. This is important because you want to confirm that the app you opened is the correct one before you publish anything. Taking a second here can help you avoid sharing the wrong project by mistake. When the app is open, click on Publish. This will begin the publishing flow. You'll then see an option to get started, so go ahead and click Get Started to continue. At this stage, you'll have the option to edit your website URL. This is the link ending that people will use to access your published app, so it's a good idea to make it clean, easy to read, and relevant to your app's purpose. If the default URL works for you, you can keep it. If not, adjust it before moving on. Once everything looks good, click Publish Your App. After the app is published, you'll be able to copy the link to the live version. From there, you can share it with anyone who needs access. That's it. You've successfully published your Google AI Studio app and created a shareable link.